All right, how to add an order bump into your order form. So this one is very, very simple. The first thing you need is an order form type of style, funnel step. So when you add a funnel step and you go to sales, you need an order form kind of sales. Okay. The second thing is you need to find the main offer and then the order bump offer. So you click in that button, and then afterwards you select digital product or physical product. So if you have a digital product, the only thing you want to do is understand what kind of resources you're going to give them access to. So it can be courses, communities, course bundles, and all that stuff. And then the price plan that you want to give them access to. If you don't have a specific price plan, you just create a new one. And then here you give them the price plan name, the display on dashboard, the descriptor, and all that stuff. Okay, so basically this is going to be the name that shows on the order form on the page. This is going to be the name that shows up on your dashboard right here. Okay, and this is going to be the name that shows up on the automatic invoice. Okay, then you choose the price plan, the type, you already know how to build this, and then hit save. Once you have this product, what you need to do next is go to the order page, go to edit page. And now here, what you want to do is on the left side, you have this icon order bump. You go ahead and you add the order bump right before the buy now button, and then you change it according to what you want to do. So product, okay, you change it. You can, align it to the left if you want. So you can adjust it based on the things that you are looking for. Okay, so here and then here, this is an element that you can go ahead and change the text as well. So this is how you add an order bump, and then once you save, there you go. You don't really need to worry about too many things because it's going to be right there. Okay, I didn't save it, so that's why it's not there. But you go ahead, you add order bump, physical product, resources, you select a course, for example this one, you give them full access and save. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the main one. So let's go to courses as well, this one, full access. So when they get this price plan, let's just select one that we have, save. And now here, order bump, we select that one. The price plan, let's just select one that we already have as well, and then save. Okay, and now here, we don't really need to click on save. When we go to funnel step and preview it, now we're going to see that this icon, when we click it, is going to add the product right there as well, the one that I selected. All right, so that's pretty much about how it goes, and have fun building your own order bumps.